Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Anna and I'm a little bit spooky, and today we are feeling super grungy. Like, we want a grungy smoky eye today. And I want to play with Gemini palette more. I love this palette. And I'm here for the greens and the sickly colors because that's just my vibe. And we are feeling super grungy today. We got our old ass Banty on this, probably from 1993. Like, literally, this is an old shirt. It is, I think, starting to dry rot on me. It's so old. I wear it so much too. This is actually my brother's shirt and I just kind of stole it from him. Old Banty, grungy eyes, a kind of grayish browny lip. Yeah, it's a look and it's a vibe and I am here for it. So if you want to see how I created this look, this super smoky green eye that is all matte, no inner corner highlight or anything, just keep on watching. But before you do, please like and subscribe and comment down below how you feel about a little bit shorter to the point tutorials where I'm a little less rambly, not so much get ready with me chit chat action. Let me know below, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into this grungy green glam. Alright guys, we are getting grungy today, and again with the Gemini palette, I want to do something black and green and matte. I have an idea toying around with in my brain, and we're gonna see if I can execute it how I'm seeing it. To begin this look, we're gonna kind of do the Charlotte Tilbury technique again, where we do our little wing with pencil eyeliner and then go over with the eyeshadow afterwards and blend everything. And yeah, we're just gonna do this as our little guide for the look, and it's not gonna be perfect, it's kind of sloppy, which is fine because we're doing the eyeshadow. So I'm taking a black eyeliner. This is Maybelline Tattoo Studio in black, and we're just gonna draw a little wing on and line the upper lash line. I'm gonna work one at a time because this one kind of dries down, and get it blended a little bit and softened. Again, this doesn't have to be neat at all. It's just kind of a baseline guide, you know. Okay, and so what I'm gonna do now is take this little Morphe 508 and I'm gonna just in a blender and smudge it around just along the lash line. Just get rid of any skippiness. Look, that little wing right on out. And then I'm gonna take a Q-tip and just kind of tidy up that edge. I don't know, I have to do that. I don't like it not being tidy. And then I'm gonna clean it up later. But there we go, just a basic little wing there. And I'm gonna bring this like all the way to the inner bit right in here. So we're doing the eyeliner for right now. And now we're gonna move on to our lid shade. I think that's what I'm gonna do next. I have primed my eyes my usual way with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Milani eyeshadow primer. Did I do the eyeshadow? Oh, I forgot to do the eyeshadow primer. Crap. And then set everything down with translucent powder. That's okay. I'm not gonna be wearing this look very long, so I don't need the eyeshadow base too. But that prevents me from having some creasing, which usually just happens with shimmer, so I think we'll be okay because we're only using mattes. So we're gonna go into next is, I think I'm gonna take Fire OG on a Morphe 456. Load up on like one side, knock off the excess, and I'm just gonna go in and pop this on kind of the lid and start to bring it into the crease. So build it up, pigmentation as we go, and blend as we go a little bit. And take this shade a little bit higher, kind of wing it out some, and blend it over into the crease and letting it just float up into the transition area. We will blend that in a minute. We're going a little backwards today. Take my blending brush now. This is a M441 and just no product on it. I'm gonna blend those edges to begin with. Then I think I'm gonna take just a touch of mochi. Just come around that edge. I'm gonna take the M433 again into Fire OG and just keep building that crease area, getting that pigmentation built up a little bit more and blend it up and out. And just switch back and forth between my brushes, make sure things are blended. Kind of pull it up really high. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of Lorelei, which is that more yellow color, and take that right out here rather than mochi. I'm gonna blend it pretty high up towards the brow. Okay, and on the same brush, fluffy brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of Fire OG just to kind of really intensify that green. I really like this shade of green. Smallest brush here, really make sure that it's intense on the lid. on the 456. I'm going to take Leo now, which is the deepest green. We're going to focus it mostly on the outer part here. And just kind of let it flow over. And brush up and blend out in a cat eye shape into the crease. And blend. Take a little more Lorelei. And blending that in the transition area. Intensified Leo in the outer portion, really winging it out. Looks a little messy, don't worry. Now what we're gonna do is take a Morphe 152, go into Bonnie, which is the matte black, knock off the excess, and we're gonna take it where we did that liner and just kind of smudge it across the lash line. We're gonna kind of make a smoky wing. And just a little bit right here. Keep it nice and smoky. Then if we need to, we can get back in with Leo and just blend a little bit. And I'm gonna take a little flat brush, a little flat square off brush. This is a 410, a little bit Bonnie, and really press it right into that lash line. Get that good and intense. So lean over. I'm trying to see in my mirror a little bit. Now I'm gonna take some more Fire OG, just a little bit here, just to make sure that is intense right in here. Now I'm gonna clean up the fallout and we're back to do the lower lash line. Okay, cleaned up the fallout under the eye and just kind of prime the under eye and tidy things up with a little bit of Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And now it's time to get back in with our handy dandy eyeliner. We're gonna kind of tight line the lower waterline and bring it out a little bit, you know, into the lashes and stuff. This is, you know, do like a normal eyeliner. Why am I explaining it so in-depthly and ineptly? So we're just gonna connect to the upper and just start pulling her down. Again, doesn't have to be neat. And let's go ahead and smudge this a little bit with our same brush we used on the upper part, so I don't have any like skippy spots. Everything looks smooth. Back into the 152, and we're gonna go straight into Leo. Pop that, and we're gonna run it along the lower lash line. And just let that smudge into the eyeliner. Not being too terribly precise or neat. We're gonna be grungy. Now let it blow out and do what it wants. Within reason. I'm liking where this looks already. Just let that join up to the upper eyeshadow. Alright, now Fire OG, same brush. Just gonna get a little bit lower and do our French Stewart eyes. And squint. Something that really get blown out. Alright, now on a Morphe M562, I'm gonna take a little bit of Lorelei and just bring it just below that. Just have kind of a golden haze. What do you guys think? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Let's do a little Fire OG. So really make sure that green is still under there. Alright, let's take a little bit of Leo, same brush, and just make sure everything is how I want it. Final blendies. Final blendies. Good. I annoy myself. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and we'll be back for finishing touches in just a moment. Skin is done. I have contoured, bronzed, concealed, foundationed, spackled, and I've already lined my lips using the NYX Liquid Suede NYX Liquid Suede pencil in Los Angeles because it's kind of a grayish tone, and we're gonna go for a kind of a grayishy brown, cool tone brown lip today. We're gonna do something a little weird. Just wait and see. Next, we're gonna go ahead and jump into highlight. I'm gonna use I'm So Lit from Wet n Wild. Go ahead and pop a little bit of that on the cheekbone region. Pretty high up. I like to apply it pretty high, like almost right at the outer corner of my eye. And just let it kind of marry into the brow bone, a little up here. Let's take a little bit down the nose, just a little. I know that looks pretty stark right now, but just you wait, because we are going to go in with our blush now. I'm gonna use Berry More from Milani, which is a absolute favorite. It's just kind of a nice neutral shade. I think it'll go good with this. Eye look and lip. Take that kind of high, back of the cheekbones and move forward. I can't get over. This is the perfect blush. It's very reminiscent of Mood Exposure from Hourglass. I kind of bring it around. Basically apply it like we're in the 80s, but with a lighter hand. But similar placement. Lighter hand is I just went ham on that side. But don't worry, because we're gonna buff it all out now. I'm gonna buff everything with my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal. Just make sure all our powder products are married together, nothing's over the top, we're looking too crazy, and give the skin a nice lit from within natural glow. I also like to take this kind of close to under the eye region. Little pointed e.l.f. brush. This is a blush brush from e.l.f. I love this brush. There's like a few brushes that are just absolute bangers from e.l.f. This is one of them. This and the Flawless Face Brush. You will not go wrong with them. Just make sure everything is blended. That's skin complete. Do a little setting spray. I'm trying to use up my Shake and Glow from L'Oreal, so let's go with that. Let's move on to lips. I've already lined, so we're gonna go straight in with our lipstick. We're gonna use the Rimmel Stay Matte lip color, liquid lip color in Plunge. This is like a kind of brownie, kind of grayish, odd shade. But yeah, let's go ahead and pop that on the lippies. If you're a fan of the CoverGirl Melted Pout, you would like these. They're very much the same thing. Smell the same, feel the same, wear the same. I think made the same, however, might be a little better. Essentially the same product though. Okay. Alright. Let's do some mascara real quick. I think I'm gonna use the Essence Lash Princess. I haven't tried this yet, and it's probably the best day to test it because I can't really see my lashes that well. We're gonna give her a go today. Nice little, almost curvy wand. Okay, get in close to my mirror and pop this on. I didn't curl my lashes, I forgot. Oh well. I feel like this look is so smoky, we don't need falsies. You're not really gonna see them. I don't know. Just not in the mood for one today. Okay, and we are done. What do you guys think? I really like the way this look came out. I actually wear my hair straight for once, and I don't know how long it's been since I've actually straightened and like blow dried my hair. Because I've been so into just like letting it air dry and doing all that. But anyway, that's not why we're here. We're here to talk about the Melt palette, and yes, another great look with it. If you are a fan of green, here you are. And I'm so pleased with how smoky and dramatic this look came out and how really easy it is to do. I can't recommend enough using the eyeliner technique that Charlotte Tilbury shows in the video she does with Tati. She showed doing that, and I'm like, game changer, dude. Like, for real. My hair is sticking to my face and it's bugging me. This is the completed look, and I am here for it. I'm loving it. I like the glowy skin with the super matte eye. Didn't even put an inner corner highlight. The Essence Mascara Lash Princess, pretty damn good. I can actually see my lashes even with this super smoky eye look going on. And yeah, we got our grungy band tee going and just being our grungy old selves over here. Are you guys liking this shorter format, just straight to the point tutorial type video? If so, let me know in the comments, because they're easy to film, they're kind of quick, and definitely easy to edit. So let me know if you guys are enjoying those as well. Yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment what you think about these shorter videos down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay spooky. Bye now.